Hello, Panthers! This video will teach you how to use a reading system called SRun. Other videos in this series will cover different reading systems. Sometimes students mix and match steps from different systems to make their own system. This is totally fine as long as it works for you. When you are in college, just reading your textbook is not going to be enough. You will also need to take notes, and you will need to use active learning strategies to learn the information. That's where a reading system can help you. This is the system that I used when I was a college student. I found it in an academic success textbook a few years ago, so now I know that it is called SRun. The steps in the system are survey, read, underline or highlight, and note-taking. Step 1 is to survey your textbook chapters, which will allow your brain to create advanced organizers for the information in your book. Advanced organizers act like file drawers and folders in your brain. They create an organizational structure in which you can store information. Read the title and consider how this chapter might relate to the rest of your textbook. Read the introduction paragraph or section. Skim the headings so you know what information is included in the chapter. Read the summary paragraph or section. Now you and your brain know what to expect when you read the full chapter. Step 2 is the reading part. Read a section before you make any marks in your book. As you read, think about what information should be underlined or highlighted so you can find it during a review. Step 3 is underlining or highlighting. Don't get too excited with underlining or highlighting. Mark main ideas, vocabulary words, and conclusions. Paragraphs that summarize sections often have sentences that pull the information together. Don't mark anything until you have read those summary sentences. Consider what information you want to write in your notes. That is what you underline or highlight. Use a light shade of highlighter so it is easy to read the actual text. Mark left to right with your highlighter so you can reread as you go. Step 4 is note-taking. Take notes in your own words from the information that you underlined or highlighted. Take notes on separate paper and use your preferred style of notes. Include page numbers so it is easy to refer to the book as needed. Develop a system of daily and weekly note reviews and include it in your planner and on your to-do list. Review your lecture notes daily and review all of your class notes weekly. You can also use your weekly review time to integrate information from your lecture notes and reading notes to create study tools now instead of waiting for the night before the test. Harness your inner geek this week. The Study Time video series is a joint effort between the Learning Center and the Office of Academic Advising, both at the University of Northern Iowa. Please contact the Learning Center if you need additional assistance.